So Wash and Learn started in Detroit, Michigan, where my hometown is. And it was born out of the idea that children can and should be learning everywhere that they are. And it's a really simple and straightforward concept. Basically what Book Harvest does is we go into the laundromat and we provide story times, and we do arts and crafts. So let me tell you a story about me and my experience with the laundromat. I'm a single parent, and I've had to use the laundromat before when my daughter and I lived in Denver, and I had to take the bus, and so I had her in one arm and my laundry in the other arm, and we trekked to the laundromat. And you know, I never focused on really engaging her during that time. It was really keeping her safe and making sure my laundry was done. And so it's really important to me to be able to provide this for families so that they can kind of take a break and handle their laundry so kids have a space to be kids. And also it's a great opportunity to engage parents as well, and to kind of model for them and work with them on things that they can do outside of the home to keep their children learning.